All right, now we're down to the end of the list and we're gonna talk about the optional items that you can bring if you want. So we're gonna start that off with, and we highly recommend that you do bring this, is a pair of fleece shorts or down skirt. Why we asked to bring that is it's an extra layer over the meaty areas of our body that can sometimes get cold and get cold injury that we call chilblains. They can be as simple as going to the thrift store, finding a nice pair of those thick fleece pants, chopping them off to above knee level, and they're going to work great. Or you can invest in a down skirt, works well for men or women, and it's really going to help provide that extra protection for you, especially on the cold January and February courses. You can bring a pair of down booties. They're nice around the fire, they're not a necessity, they can be expensive. If you can and do want to bring them, find them with the hard soles. It makes walking around in the snow a little easier. The camera, bring the camera, please do. GoPros, they all work well, but bring extra batteries, and you're going to want to keep these around your body. So some sort of strap to go around your neck. Keeping the batteries warm is the only way that they're going to work out there. Some of us are snorers, so sometimes, as everyone will be sleeping together, it's great to bring some earplugs. I like having the ones that are attached so I can find them. The other ones sometimes get lost in the doldrums of the sleeping bag. And then a nice little thermos. You can make yourself some hot chocolate and bring it along for the ski or the mush that day, whichever one you're doing. Doesn't need to be big, but something to just keep that a little extra warm, that hot drink a little warmer.